Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create BINANCE 3D logo. Paper engraved 3D logo. Using your Pixellab and Photopea. Just don't skip any part to get what I'm trying to explain to you. First of all, you need to delete the new text. Then you have this. After that, click on this plus button. Then click on shapes. After clicking on shapes, you see how to want another shape. Then you click here. Then you click this one. After that, you have to get your shape like this. So after getting a shape like this, you pick a color. So I'm going to pick this blue color. And after picking that, click on the mark button that you are done. Then you have to expand it small. And after that, you click on this button. After clicking on it, just click on the lock button. After clicking on the lock button, click on this pen. You can see this icon, that pen. Then click on it. Then click on copy. Then copy it. After copying it, just move to this place. Then go to color. Then change the color to white. Then you can see you get something like this. Then you have to reduce the size. So after you get something like this, after getting something like this, you are going to lock it this time. Then you copy this thing. You copy. After copying, you get something like this. Then you just reduce the size. Then you get something like this. Yes. You get something like this. I'm going to use the move button. After you get something like this, you have to check the shape. Maybe it's alright. Then after getting that, you lock this. Then you click on this the down button here. Click on this. After clicking on this, you see some this equal times and mark. Then you click on it. Then you click on this. You mark this and this. Then you click on this merge button. Then after clicking on this merge, you merge both. Then see you get something like this. So after you can see, you can get something like this. After you get something like this, go to erase color. And after you get to erase color, you see white has gone, but we are not removing the white color. So you click on this. After clicking on this, you click on this something like pen button. Then you click on it. Then you pick your color. You are going to pick the good color. And after that, you get something like this. You can see. Get something like this. So after getting something like this, you have to let this be in a good position. So you have to move it around and getting it. Please don't skip any part of it. It's very important. And after that, you copy it. You just need to lock this padlock button. Then you copy it. Then you rotate it. You click on this this button. Then you rotate it. Then you get something like this. Yeah. I think we are getting it. We are getting the BINANCE. The BINANCE button. Logo. Then you click on this merge button again. Then merge all those three together. So you can see this it. Then go to erase color again. After matching both, then erase it. You can see you get something like this. Just you have to increase the tolerance. So to make it good. Can you see? after getting some, you go to the relative position, and you have to move it to the middle. After that, you lock it, then you click on text and write BINANCE in capital letter. BINANCE capital letter, then you get something like this. And you have to expand it. Then go to your text, go to font. Please don't skip any part of this, very important. And after getting to BINANCE, you can see you get something like this, then you expand small. Then go to your color. Then click on the gold color. Then go to relative position. Then move it to the middle. Then you have to unlock our face. Can you see? Get something like this. Go to relative size. Go to position. You have to position it in the middle. Get something like this. And after that, do like this. Very simple position. And go to this go to this place, then click on transparency, and you see there is nothing there. After getting something like this, you have to save your your work. Then consume it, then click on this draft, then click on ultra, then save it to gallery. So you can see it, you have saved it to gallery. Just you need to go. What you need now is go to your Chrome, but Chrome. Then go to your Chrome. Then search for. I'm going to search for Photopea. Photopea. This is, you can see photopea.com. So you get something like this. So I'm going to show you the you see in the description, you see the PSD file I use. So I'm going to put the link there to download. Then you click on open from your computer. You can do this on your system, if you have a system or laptop or on your PC. Then click on that download. So then I have to go to my downloads. So it goes something like this. So I have to find the files. So this is the file, the mock-up files. Then you have to load, just wait for it to load. Please be patient while we are doing it. So you have something like this. After that, you have to click on this steel layer. You can see this steel layer over here. Can you see? Click on this steel layer. After clicking on this steel layer, you click on your logo here. Just tap on it. Yes, you can see, double tap on it. After double tapping on it, just click on this eye icon, then off the eye icon, then go back to click on file at the top here, then click on open and place. After clicking on open and place, you have to go to this place, download, do something like this. Then you have to find your work just done recently on Pixellab. So I have to go to my recent pictures, pictures file, then click on this BINANCE and see, just wait for it to load. After loading it, you have something like this. Just wait a little bit. You have to have something like this. So you have something like this. If you want to expand it, you can expand it, but I like my own way it is. Then after clicking on this, you click on the file again, then click on save as smart object. So just wait, it's loading. Just after clicking it, just wait to load. Please make sure your phone is 2 GB upward. If your the RAM of your phone is 2 GB, so you can do this work. If your phone is 1 GB and that is RAM is 1 GB, you can do it. So just click on this -1 PSD file. Just click it back. Yes. Then you have something like this. And it's just simple. You follow the steps. It's very, very simple. So you want to save it, just click on the file again. After clicking on the file, click on export as. Then you click JPG. Then after clicking it, you do something like this. Just wait a little bit. It's loading the file. Just wait a little bit. Then you have something like this. Then the quality will be at 70. I mean, just increase the quality size to 100. Then click on save. You can see this is the work we just done. And then click on save. Just download. You can see this is saved to file. You see that your you can see just simple as just that simple. Thank you very much for viewing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.